So if you want to execute set of statement based on some condition, then what we are going to use? We are going to use if statement. We have if condition, then not if else, nested if, then not if else, ladder. So first I am going to discuss if statement. When it comes to if statement, consists of condition. We have one condition followed by statement or set of statement. Statement mean this line. This could be system.out.println or any other line, right? Any other statement. So if this one is true only, it will move into this part. Otherwise, it will ignore this section, right? If condition is true, then it will come to here. If this condition is true, then it will come to this body of the if condition. Otherwise, it will ignore this entire section. So then not we have nested if statement. So first we will discuss theory, then not we will move into the practical part. In the nested if else condition, what is happening? We have if condition, then after this if condition, I'm going to use red color. So after if this if condition is true, it will move into this section. And also then after we can find another if condition. If this one also true, it will print this line. If this one false, it is not going to print this section, right? So here you can see we have condition. If true, it will execute another if condition. If true, likewise it will move into further. Okay, so then after we have if else condition. Like that, if the condition is true, you can print something, otherwise also you can print something. If condition is false, then you can print something else. If condition is true, it will print something else, otherwise it will print something else. And also then after we have if else condition ladder. It is like this. First we have condition. If true, it will print a statement, otherwise it will move into the remaining condition. So most important point is here, if one condition is true, it will print that specific statement belong to that condition, and it will ignore all other condition when it comes to if else ladder. So we will discuss this thing one by one. First I am going to start with the if statement. So we have this code data, right? Now I am going to create a variable. For example, integer number will be equal to 20. Now we can put if condition, if number greater than 50. I'm going to print system.out.println number is above 50. Otherwise nothing will print. We'll compile this code and let's see the output. So can you see any output? Can't, right? So reason is what? Here we have one output line, system.out.println, but it will only going to print if this condition is true. Here condition is false because 20 is not greater than 50. But what will happen if I change this 20 into 200? Now condition is true. That means we will get output number is above 50. So this is how if condition is working. You have to pass condition, then after output statement. Then next we have nested if, right? So I'm going to add another if condition. So inside this if number is greater than 50, I'm going to check if number less than 500. Then again I'm going to print output system.out.println number is below 500. So what will be the output here? Now you can see we have this code. Number initially what? 200. 200 greater than 50. Condition is true, it will print this line. So you can put as many as statement as you want, right? There's no limit, right? All these lines will be printed. Or else you can add anything else. A is equal to A plus 20. You can do any calculation also here. Right, here also same thing. You can put as many as number statement as you want. Okay, so first it will print this 3 output line, then after it will come to here. Again if condition, now number is what? 200 less than 500 true. Again it will print this output also. So when you compile this one, it will print number is below 500 also. Now what will happen if I change this number into 2000? So I will remove these two lines for the simplicity. Now what will be the output? Definitely it will print number is above 50, but it is not going to print this line because this condition is false. You can see it is printing only one line, right? This time it is not going to print this line. This condition is now false. So this is how if nested if condition works, and if it is if condition, it is like this. Now I'm going to comment this section. We can use multi-line command like this, and we will start with the if else condition. So for example, we have integer age which is equal to 25. Now I'm going to add the condition if age greater than 18. System.out.println, you can enter. Else system.out.println, so please come again, come later. Right, now you can see we have two output statement. Actually here I have put only one statement under if condition, but if you want you can put many number of system.out.println or any other statement. There is no limit. Okay, so here what is happening, age is 25. If age is above 18, on that time it will execute this section. Otherwise it will execute this section. So condition is what? 25 greater than 18 true. That means it will print this section. I'm going to run this code. Now it will print you can enter. So this is how if else work, right? If this condition is false, for example if age is 5, then it will print please come later part. So, and also you can see it is not going to execute this command part. This command will be automatically ignored by our compiler. Now I am going to add if else ladder. Then what will happen if age is equal to 25? If age, for that we are going to add else if age is equal to 25. On that time I am going to add system.out.println, you can use VIP get. Now I'm going to change this into 25. Then predict the answer. What will be the output of this one? First it will check this condition. This condition is true. Then will it come to this condition? If this one is true, it is not going to come into this condition, right? For example, you can see it is printing you can enter. But this one also actually true. But it will execute if part is not true. If else if this is not true, then it will execute this one. For example, here condition greater than 118, then it will execute this one because this one is false now. Age is not greater than 118. So we will put 50 reliable number. Now age is 50. So condition is false. It will come into this line, right? Age is equal to 25 true. That means it will print you can use VIP get. So your answer will be something like this. So if you have any question regarding if condition, you can comment down. We'll do some exercise also under if condition.